Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the Sehat channel. Today we are going to talk about the health benefits of dates. So let's go and find more about it.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए.
Viewers, dates are high in nutrition. Though fresh dates are edible and dates are most often consumed dried and easily identified by their dry, bumpy skin. If we talk about its nutritional value, so 100 gram of serving of dates contains 282 calories, 2.5 gram protein, 75 grams of carbs, 8 gram of fiber, 64 gram of sugar, 3% of calcium, 6% iron, 14% potassium, 10% magnesium, 23% copper, 6% selenium, 10% vitamin B6, 6% of folate. So it means it is packed with full of nutrition. Viewers, dates are typically dried and small. This makes eating multiple dates very doable. As a result, it's easy to eat large quantities of calories, fiber, and natural sugar in one sitting. Therefore, be sure to eat dates in moderation. Regardless of the food you are thinking about eating, the best time to eat is when you are hungry or want to eat. Though many health gurus claim that there are best time for body to digest food, and that eating outside of these times will result in poor digestion. There is a little scientific proof to support these claims. Viewers, human body is ready to digest food before it even touches your mouth. It releases specific digestive enzymes in the mouth and continues to release them throughout the entire course of digestion. In fact, your body is able to identify the type of enzymes needed based on food's micronutrient ratio, its carb, protein, and fat composition, and can do this at any time of the day. However, there are best times when eating dates may be ideal, such as breakfast. In breakfast, dates can be an excellent way to add natural sweetness and fiber to your diet in the early morning. What's more, their high fiber content can keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. As an afternoon snack, dates are a good source of fiber and high in natural sugar. This pairing of fiber and sugar allows for a slower rise in blood sugar to help you feel energized without crashing soon afterward. When you are hungry, you can also eat with some techniques. Viewer, dates are concentrated form of calories and very filling due to their high fiber content. If you are feeling hungry but aren't ready for a full meal, pair dates with some peanut butter for a good source of fiber, carbs, and protein. It can also be taken before workout. Though dates are naturally high in sugar, they don't spike blood sugar so quickly. Rather, they provide a type of slow releasing carb that allows for a steady stream of energy to fuel your workout. Try having 2 to 4 dates 30 to 60 minutes before a workout. If you eat them as a nighttime snack, they are excellent bedtime snack due to their high fiber content. Fiber takes longer to digest, which can help you stay full and keep midnight hunger pangs at bay. Viewer, now let's talk about when you should not eat dates. Though your body can digest food whenever you need it to, there are few situations in which eating dates isn't the best idea. If you are having irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), those with IBS may be sensitive with the food containing FODMAPs, which are small chain carbs that some people have difficulty digesting. As a significant source of fructose, they can lead to bloating and stomach upset. After a large meal, dates are high in fiber, which takes longer to digest. As a result, eating a large number of dates after a large meal may make you feel extremely full and uncomfortable. Viewers, if someone having an allergy, so there is an alarm sign. Some people can be sensitive or even have an allergy to dates. If you think this may apply to you, speak with a healthcare professional first. If you are experiencing diarrhea or loose stool, dates containing a sugar alcohol known as sorbitol, which may increase bowel movement in some people. Therefore, it is best to limit or avoid dates until your bowel movement has normalized. Viewers, beyond these occasions, there are no bad times to eat dates. In fact, they are highly nutritious and lend themselves well as a snack or part of a meal. Remember that your body is very capable of digesting food 24 hours a day. So enjoy the dates, they are so healthy. Viewers, if you are interested to read health magazines so you can become a member of Knowledge Health magazine, procedure is really very simple. Just note down the number shown on the screen. Simply WhatsApp your name and city name to us Every month you will get free Knowledge Health magazine at your number. We hope you have liked today's videos, so don't forget to comment in comment box. Take care of yourself until next video. Goodbye.